Write the following as a power of 3. Well, the numerator is 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So you add the indices, and then for the division you subtract the indices. So 3 to the power of 7. Write down the value of 12 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. And 3 to the power of minus 2. The minus tells you to get the reciprocal. And square that. So it is square the numerator, square the denominator is 1/9. Construct and shade the region within this triangle that is nearer to A than to B. So I'm going to bisect, there's A, there's B. I'm going to bisect that. Take out my ruler, I'm going to need that. And take out my compass. So you open your compass more than halfway on this side and do the same again. And the 2 points you get, you get a point there and a point there. Join them up. Try that again. And nearer to A is on the right hand side of that line. Sorry, the left hand side of that line. Less than 3 centimeters from C, so there's no scales here, so it's just 3 centimeters. Put it on C and draw that circle. So less is inside and it's on the left of that line, so it's only a small piece. Yours may look different. The line of the board, there is that answer. ICRA carries out a survey of 200 families in the north of England on their weekly spending on food. The cumulative frequency diagram summarises the results. Find the median. So median come out from 100. Go down, so that's exactly 90. Interquartile range, so that's the upper quartile, subtract the lower quartile. Come out from 150, which is halfway between 140. That's 100, and come out from 50. These are going up in 2, so that's 78. This one is 78, this one is 100. So 100 subtract 78 is 22. ICRAC says 15% of these families spend over 120. Is your statement correct? So we're going to go to 120, bring that line straight up, bring that line straight over. Okay, these are going up 20 is that difference, and there's 4 boxes, sorry, 25 boxes. Each box is 4, this is 182, so it's 18 families in there. So 18 out of 200 is, I'm not sure if this is a calc, it's a non-calc obviously, so 18 out of 200 is 9 out of 100, which is 9%. 15% of these families, so no, that's 9%, less than 15%. Solve by factorization, so double brackets. The factors are minus 33, minus 11, plus 3, plus 11, and minus 3. Whatever you put here is multiplied by 2. So I can see it's going to be minus 11 and plus 3. So I'll tell you where I'm getting that from. If we do that, and we get 3x, and we do that, and you get minus 22x, and that is minus 19x, which is what I'm looking for. So this bracket or this bracket is 0, so 2x plus 3 is 0, or x minus 11 is 0, that makes x 11. Minus 3 over 2, or 11. Expand this, so I'm just that's going to be 2x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 6. Minus 3x plus 4 is plus 1x minus 6. And then I've got 2x squared plus 1x minus 6. I prefer to do this one in grids because once I use these arrows, you can get lost quite easily. 6x cubed, 3x squared minus 18x, 2x squared plus 1x minus 6. Put this together, you've got 6x cubed, 5x squared, minus 18 plus 1 is minus 17x and minus 6. Write this as a fraction, so I'll let x equals 0.27 recurring. 10x, and some of you could skip this line if you can see it's going to be 100x. And all the time I'm trying to get this and this the same. Those are the two I'm focusing on. I'm going to subtract. 100x take away x is 99x is equal to this take away this 27. X is 27 over 99. 9 goes in there 3 times, 9 goes in there 11 times. Doesn't ask you to simplify, so that would have been full marks. Two congruent regular polygons are joined together. Work out the number of sides in each polygon. So these two are identical. And this is 3, that is 360. So 360 take away 60 is 300 divided by 2 is 150. So I've got 150 here and 150 here. So the interior is equal to 150. The exterior is equal to 30 degrees. These add to 180. And I've got this rule. Divided by side is equal to exterior. So 360 divided by what is 30 degrees. 30 goes into 360 12 times. And there's my answer. Last year Katie earned that. Her total loan repayments were 6,400. Katie estimates that the ratio of her loan repayments to her earnings is approximately 3 to 8. So her loan to earnings, is she correct? Loan to earnings. Loan is 6,400, earnings is 16,200. Get this down. Well, pretty close because 3 to 8 is 30 to 80. And you would say, is she correct? Yes. These are very similar. A box contains red, blue and green pens. The ratio of red pens to blue pens is 5 to 9. From blue to green is 1 to 4. So my common multiple, 9 and 1 is going to be 9. This line stays the same, 9 and 5, 9 and 5. However, this one has been multiplied by 9, 1 multiplied by 9, so this is 36. Calculate the percentage of pens that are blue. Blue is 9 out of the total. Add them, I get 50. 9 over 50 is 18 over 100. 18%. Solve these simultaneous equations. So I need to make x or y is the same. My x's are already the same. Same sign, subtract. So they disappear. Y take away minus 4y. So y, 1y, take away minus 4y is 1y. Add 4y, that's 5y. It's equal to minus 4 take away 6 is minus 10. Y is equal to minus 2. Pick one of them. Pick the top one. 3x plus y is minus 4. And y is minus 2. What take away 2 is minus 4. And minus 2 take away 2 is minus 4. 3x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2/3. Probably why these are already the same. The difficulty is probably here at the end. So x is minus 2/3, y is minus 2. Most higher pressure gauge showed a reading which is 12% higher than the actual pressure. What is the actual pressure? So when moles reads this, so that is equal to 112%. I want 100%. I've got a calc, so I'll find 1% first of all. Divide by 112 times by 100s. Divided by 112. Don't need that. Times by 100. $44.5. At the start of 2014, Priya's house was worth £240,000. What was the value of her house increased by 5% each year? That's increased by 5%. What is the value of her house at the start of 2017? At the start, so that's 3 years. If that had said at the end, that would have been 4 years. So from there to there is 3 years. Just type that in. 240,123 times 1.05 to the power of 3 years is 277,830. The table shows the weight loss of 50 members of a swimming club. Calculate an estimate for the mean. So we need midpoints. So 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, and 22.5. We multiply each of these together. So 10, 19 times 7.5 is 142.5. This one is 45. Add them up. That's on the screen, so I'll add on 45 plus 175 plus 142.5 plus 10, 565. That's how much weight was lost in total. How many people? 50. You can also get it there if you add them. So 565 divided by 50. It's 11.3 kilograms. Explain why your answer is an estimate. It's given an estimate, a range, and not exact values. Two cylinders A and B are mathematically similar. Cylinder A has a volume of that, B, so A is bigger. So A has a volume of 2400 centimeters cubed, and B is 750 centimeters cubed. I need a scale factor, so I've got A, I've got B, I've got length, area, and volume, and the scale factor, and I'll just work backwards. How do I get from there to there? I multiply by divided by 750 is 3.2. So the scale factor for that is 3.2. The scale factor for the length is going to be the cubed root of that. I've asked, it tells me the height of this is 12, they want the height of this. So the cube root, so shift, and the cube root of that answer is 1.4736. To get from there to there is 1.4736. That's to get from small to large. I'm going the opposite way. I'm going from there to there, so it's going to be divided by 1.4736. So 12 divided by that answer is going to give me 8.14. Here's some information about the ages of people at a concert. Draw a histogram. We've got frequency, density, and width. I'll always have three of them. So I've got frequency and I've got my width. So I've got my frequency and I've got my width. So to get my frequency density, it's frequency divided by width. 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. 24 divided by this is 10, 2.4. 30 divided by 15 is 2, and 39 divided by 30 is 1.3. Draw a graph. So from 10 to 15 is 1.6. Be careful here, these go up in twos. 1.5, 1.6. 15 to 25 goes up to 2.4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 25 to 40 goes up to 2. And 40 to 70 goes up to 1.3. So 1, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. And find the perimeter of the following shape. So I have full circle is diameter times pi. This is for this bit here. And then to get the arc, you divide it by 360 and times by the angle, which is 42. So diameter is 10 times pi divided by 360 times by 42 is equal to all this again. 10 times pi is equal to, divided by 360 multiplied by 42 is 3.665. Don't forget, I have to add on my 5, add on these two lines here. That's going to be an answer of 13.66.